So you're thinking about moving to Gulf Shores, Alabama. Well, today we are going to walk through our brand new listing here in a really popular subdivision called Raintree Place. This is a very cute neighborhood. It's an established neighborhood. Unbelievable location. We're going to talk more about that here in just a minute. This house is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,817 square feet. And get this, we've got it listed at $315,000. We always tell you guys, you think you can't afford the beach, but you can. And when you see how many amenities this city has, which is really within a minute or two of this location, you are definitely going to want to check this one out. So come take a look with us. Hey guys, if this is your first time to the channel, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to know about the current market conditions in Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, and surrounding areas. My name is Aileen Fountain, along with my partner Andy Hollis and our entire team. We do these videos each and every week just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to actually live here, vacation here, and own property here. So whether it's 9 days or 90 days from when you're thinking about making your move, give us a call, shoot us a text, email us, set up a Zoom. We'd love to meet with you face to face. We get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day, and we absolutely love it. So as I mentioned, we are going to walk through our new listing here. And when I tell you that this is an unbelievable location, we are 1 minute from the brand new Gulf Shores High School, set to open in 2026. This is a $237 million state-of-the-art high school. Absolutely cannot wait for that to open up. It is going to, it's going to be one of the most amazing things to ever happen to this city. And that's not it. Stick around to the end, and I am going to tell you some more amazing things about this location you are not going to want to miss. So come on, come walk through with us. Here we are. Come right on in. There is no carpet in here. They came in and did fresh paint. Got nice tall ceilings, a lot of character to this house. Over here, you're going to have your guest wing, 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So it is a split floor plan. You got vaulted ceilings in here, which makes this feel nice and big and spacious. Love the big window, letting in a lot of natural light. Standard closet there. Love the archways. Love the angles. It's not just your standard cookie cutter home. This is it's pretty basic. You've got a standard tub insert here. And they did come in and put a really nice LVP in these 2 bedrooms. Again, fresh paint throughout. Picked a really nice neutral color. They've got a lot of personal items in that closet, so I'm not going to go in there, but it is a big walk-in closet. So that is really nice. Nice wide entryway there. Coat closet here. Again, a good bit of personal items in there, so we're not going to go in there. And then nice open living space with the vaulted ceilings. Makes this feel very spacious. And then I love how this primary suite has its own hallway, making it feel very private back here. And you've got a good size primary back here. Got the nice tray ceilings. Good. Again, you got a nice double window here backing up to a gorgeous backyard, which we'll go out to here in just a second. A lot of natural light. And then the French doors going off to the patio. Really like that. So in here, nothing fancy, but you do have a nice double vanity here. Again, plenty of space here in this primary bathroom. You got a nice garden tub there with jets and again, some more nice natural light. Hate when bathrooms don't have natural light coming in. They feel so dark. Get your stand-up shower there. And you've got a walk-in closet here. They are still in the process of getting some remaining personal items out. Love that they have that space there for nice furniture pieces, and got a good little breakfast area here. Here's the kitchen. Got a good bit of countertop space. Come on back here and got your washer and dryer off the garage. Not going to go in the garage. It is a 2-car garage, but there is quite a bit of personal items in there as they are boxing things up and moving out. That closet there, storage and pantry, and then you do also have a built-in storage pantry here in the kitchen. So I really like that. Love the high ceilings, the high vaulted ceilings. Love the fireplace. That's always surprisingly nicer than you think to have. Doesn't get cold here for long, but when it does get cold, it's just nice to have. Love that wood burning fireplace there. Okay, let's go check out this nice patio. So you got this covered, screened in area here. But you could easily do some more outside dining and still have some more section there for storage, a grill, whatnot. And then out here, this is honestly my favorite, just because of the beautiful mature trees, the natural shade. Absolutely love this back here. And you still have, even with all the shade though, you still have a lot of pretty grass. So such a great space to hang out in, gather and spend time. Again, having this natural shade, it's so much cooler than it would be. And right there, if you're familiar, is Raintree Farms, which is a new subdivision, but there is a buffer back there. So you're not right up on the back side of that house. There's a buffer coming along here of common space. All right, guys, I want to talk about a couple other really cool features about this house. I mean, aside from the fact that it is $315,000 in an amazing location in Gulf Shores, the seller put on a brand new Fortified roof. I mean, this roof is not even 30 days old. So that has really helped with the insurance. The insurance is $2,900 for a primary residence. The taxes on a primary residence, you're talking under $1,000 for this. They're currently $881 with the HOA fees at only $250 a year. So an unbelievably affordable home with a ton of packed value for the price to be in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Again, 1 minute this way is the new high school. And that's not it. There's more. Across the street is the proposed future park that the city has already bought the land for. That park is going to be an array of different things, including down the road, potentially even a new elementary school and fire station, as well as just an absolutely gorgeous park with walking trails and ponds and just so much there. Now, that's not now. The high school is now. That opens up in 2026. But here, 4 minutes away, off County Road 6, is the Sportsplex, the Cultural Center, the football field, pickleball courts, another new sports facility right there at the Sportsplex. So much to offer with this location. You've got just a minute south of you is Target, Publix. I mean, everything that you could possibly need within minutes of this location, and we're still only about 10 minutes to the beach, depending on the time of year and the traffic. You're 10 to 15 minutes to the beach. You're north of the bridge, so you get a little bit of a nice break on insurance. Absolutely fantastic property and location. You are definitely going to want to check this one out. Hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, we hope to see you around town.
I get flip-flops and your shades that hit the sand. Where the Gulf breeze blows, it's a wonderland. Orange Beach living, oh it feels so right. From sun